Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Reality of Trading Forex. Yeah, today I'm going to be updating you on the account I started earlier with 100 cents. So I said I'm going to be making 50% on that account, and afterwards I'm going to be flipping that account to any amount I can. So right now let me show you what happened to the accounts right now. This is my MT4 account, and let's move to the balance of the account, and here is the balance. So let's go to the history. I started this account with 100 cents. As you can see from the starting, I deposited 100 cents in this account. This is the 100 cents I deposited, and my first trade, I took first trade 2 positions, which ended up with loss. I took a loss. The first trade was lost, which I think I updated you guys in the last video. So lately I've been busy and I was not able to update you guys on how I managed to grow this account. So the second trade also I took a loss. The third trade I took loss, which I took 30 cents loss, and the next trade, which was on 24, I took a win, which is the 18 cents, 18.50 cents, and so on. I took win the next day, followed by this win the next day, which is these 2 wins, followed by this loss. I took loss the next day, 26, and I took loss on 30th. That's 30th of January. I took a loss. Then after the 30th of January, I still took some win on 30th, and I also took some win on 31st. Then on the 1st of February I took loss and also win on the 1st of February. So on the 2nd I also took a loss, and the next day, which is 3rd of February, I took this win. So that's brought my account to the balance to 341, which is I made a profit of 241 cents profit. So my aim was to make 50% of this account, and which I did, and now I flipped the account to 300 cents, from 100 cents to 300 cents, which I'm also trading on this account currently. And let me see if I can take it to 1000 cents. So I'm going to be updating you guys on the trade I am right now, so you see the trade I am and how I entered the trade. So currently I'm selling GBP USD. This is the trade I am right now. I sold GBP USD. We are currently negative. I'm currently negative on this trade. So let me head to my trading view, so you see how I entered the trade. So this is my trading view from my daily time frame. On my daily time frame, the blue lines, the blue horizontal lines, are my daily levels, which I mapped out. So I don't use to clear those levels, it remains on my chart. So those are my daily levels, and usually I also mapped my intraday levels. I also mapped my intraday levels, which is the orange line right here, this orange line right here. So from this daily time frame, as you can see, the market has been bearish for some days right now. As in last week we went bearish. So from the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, it was bearish all throughout as a result of the fundamental news that happened last week. So now what made me to enter sales on GBP USD, it's because on my intraday level price was bullish, and price has gotten to my key level, which is the blue line right there. It's like a zone. It's a zone. So even if it hasn't touched that level, that blue level, but I know it's a zone, so it's already at the zone. So price got there, And after price got there, I moved down to my 15-minute time frame. As you can see, this is a trend line I drew here. I drew a trend line here. Normally I always wait for a break of the trend line coming back to retest structure, then I'll go for my entry. But that trend line now is still far, and for me it will be late for me to enter that short if I wait for the break of this major trend line. So I went down to my 5-minute time frame and look for my entry, which is from the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, I drew my trend line, this trend line right there. I drew my trend line like this. So after the break of the trend line, then as you can see, this is my zone, this orange zone right here. I drew a zone at the break of structure. It broke trend line, it broke that structure, and came back to retest this structure right here. At the retest of that structure, that is where I open on my trade on GBP USD. So I short GBP USD, stop loss above the previous high, which is this high, stop loss above it, and I'm targeting my previous low. So that's how I got my entry on GBP USD, and currently we are still negative. I'm still negative on that entry, so I just hope it's go into profit very soon. I'm gonna update you guys on how the trade play out. Alright guys, let me update you on the trade I took earlier today. Let's open the chart. As you can see, this is the let's go to 15-minute time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame. I just updated the chart, and as you can see, price has been consolidating for hours now, like 1 or 2 hours now. This was my entry. I entered from this zone. I'll use this too. So this was my entry. I entered from here, this position here. I think I entered from the 5-minute time frame. So I entered my position from this candle here, this bearish candle right here. So as you can see, price has been consolidating for too long. I was anticipating price should just, because at that time my zone was here, my golden zone was right here. Price broke the structure, came back to retest it, and I went short at that position. Yeah, this retest I went short. So right now I have to update it because price has been consolidating in this range for long. So I brought down my zone to this other support level which price has created, and the trend line, I draw another trend line which price has already created. As you can see from this low right here, I draw a trend line, second touch, third touch, and now finally price has broken the trend line. So what I'm waiting for again is just the break of this structure, this golden zone. I believe once price has break that zone, come back to retest it, we are pushing downward. I just believe in my analysis. That's why I didn't close the trade, though price almost get to my stop loss, but I was still holding because I trust my analysis. So right now price has start moving bearish. Let's wait to see what the market will do. I will update you guys later. Yeah, this is the trade. As you can see, I'm almost getting to my TP. I closed partial profit already, so right now I'm going to wait for these remaining positions to hit TP. As you can see, I'm almost getting to my TP. Let me show you the chart. So yeah, I left only one position running, and I'm going to wait for this to hit TP. As you can see, this is my TP right here. I'm going to wait for it to hit TP. So whatever happens to this, whether it went back to hit my stop loss at little profits, it is what it is. I'll accept it like that. So for now, I'm just going to allow it to run. And as you can see, the account is in 406 cents. That is my current balance, and the equity is 424 cents. So if he hits TP, I believe he's going to reach either 450 or below it. So it is what it is. Thank you for watching. If you like content like this, let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and share this video. Peace.